Wow, you better watch out. You better watch out. Hello, guys. Welcome back with Chef Paolo. Welcome back in my kitchen. Christmas is coming to town. A Christmas tree grandma pie only for you guys from Chef Paolo with this gorgeous blackberry and roseberry, fresh, full of juice, not only super delicious, but also full of amazing properties and nutrients, guys. Let's see the ingredients of our Christmas tree grandma pie. We're gonna have 300 grams of flour, 200 grams of butter, 1 egg yolk, 150 grams of sugar, this super delicious homemade custard cream, guys. Check my recipe how to make this gorgeous homemade custard cream. This juicy and delicious raspberry and blackberry. Let's start. All right, first thing first, as usual, guys, we melt our 200 grams of butter just with a simple fork, okay? You better watch out, you better not cry. Santa Claus is coming to town. So here we have 300 grams of flour, plain flour, guys, 150 grams of sugar, 1 egg yolk. And here we are. Now it's time to make our hands dirty. One hand, and we make the dough in the way all the butter gonna absorb the flour, the sugar, and the egg yolk. And here we are. The dough is ready. We're gonna put inside this film paper 30 minutes in the refrigerator, and then we're gonna make our pie. And here we are, guys. First, we put some butter all around the tray in the way not gonna stick. Now, we can start to make some small cut of our pie dough in the way we will spread in all our tray. I especially love using Driscoll raspberries and blackberries, guys. Their perfect balance of sweetness and tartness help the pie to enrich and highlight all its flavor. And in the same time, this gorgeous color are the color of our Christmas. See? Now we spread all around the tray. Super easy, guys. It's not a rocket science, as usual. We don't need to make something perfect, guys. We just use the work of our hand to make it delicious and homemade. I'm gonna roll a little bit to make all the crust around, you see? And here we are. Now, last step before getting inside the oven is taking this gorgeous homemade custard cream and put as a base of our pie. Preheat oven 170 degrees for 40 minutes. Let's go. And here we are. Look how gorgeous is this pie. I like to add in this recipe all these amazing berries after I bake my pie. In the way I can highlight the freshness, the juiciness, and the intense flavor of this high quality Driscoll berry, guys. Mamma mia. No, guys, Driscoll's raspberry and blackberry is not only an ingredient I use every day for so many recipes, you know. This is also something super good for our healthy, guys, because it's full of vitamin C and vitamin E for our skin. And the best part is that there's low of sugar, so no regret, no sense of guilt. You can eat a lot of this here and feel healthy and full of energy. Blackberry, guys, can be considered like the caviar of the fruit. Each blackberry bursts on the tongue like a caviar. It's creating an unforgettable experience in my mouth. This is why in many Michelin restaurants, they use this very blackberry as a decoration for many plates and dishes. Let's finish it. We start with this gorgeous. The blackberry and the raspberry, guys, not only taste amazing, but they also give this fantastic and colorful look to our Christmas tree pie cake. Whatever is a special occasion on a normal day, this grandma pie with this delicious, juicy, and colorful raspberry and blackberry gonna highlight the color and the joy of your table. I use this blackberry and raspberry in many recipes. When I roast the lamb for Easter, I make a super delicious raspberry sauce. I'm gonna make the recipe soon for you guys. The rich and tangy flavor of the berries perfectly combined with the roasted smoky flavor of the lamb. And here we are. Ladies and gentlemen, our homemade Christmas tree grandma pie is ready. Because you know, guys, whatever it is, smoothies in the morning, oatmeal, regular dish, regular lunch, or even dinner or a special pie, Driscoll's roseberry and blackberry give always a plus to any of your dishes in terms of healthy, super delicious ingredients and freshness and color to all your dishes, guys. And now, the best moment. Are you ready, David? Yeah. All right. And look how beautiful it is. Buon appetito, caro.
Thank you.
And now I also gonna try. Mamma mia, guys. Wow. The flavor intense of the custard cream baked with the pie and this freshness, sweet and sourness, delicious taste of the berries, roseberry and blackberry on top make this my favorite pie ever, guys. This is all about the quality of the ingredients, the quality of this Driscoll roseberry and blackberry that really make this pie not only delicious, not only healthy, but super colorful and happy for this coming Christmas together in my home for you. Se vedemo. Bye bye. And remember, stay hungry, my friends.